Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing the Dennis Daily Summer Adventures Obby 2. I've never really played this. I'm just gonna skip through all this. Hi you. Hi you. I didn't know Dennis Daily looked so... his character looked like that. I honestly didn't. It's just how... That's what I would like to name his character. And sorry about my webcam, I might turn it off because it's messed up and I don't like it. Comment down below if I was supposed to die right there. Maybe this one will work. No, I just jumped into the water that time. I'm pretty sure you have to do that at a certain time. Oh, you have to jump on that one, I'm guessing. Okay, so I'd have to like go around a little bit, I'm guessing, if that's the case. You're heard. You're the man. Let's go and complete the hobby. Okay. See, I'm seeing how... That was glitchy. Oh! Guys. Yeah, I'm turning my webcam off. Sorry about that, guys. It's getting me annoyed. Actually, I can't turn it off right now. That's gonna get annoying. Okay, guys. I had to pause for a second. Sorry about that. I just didn't know what was happening. So I had to pause and check something out. Okay, so you have to jump on that one. So it's this one. Okay. No, I didn't open it. I'll try and do it again. So it's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this. There, here. So now I have a checkpoint. I'm really good at these. As I say that. I said I was really... I just have to send it, not speak, because I keep on getting unfocused, and then I will mess up, and then I will die. How to speed run to that? This is just easy. How would you die on that? I don't know how you would die on that. It's just probably gonna be really hard if you want to. I'm probably not gonna finish this obby, guys, today, because on YouTube there's a certain time limit. Okay. I'm just gonna... Oh, it's that. Never mind. I was like, for a second, I was like, okay, so that's the one. Okay, it's middle. No. No. See if you're all doing that. Yeah. That was simple. Then we're making a YouTube video. Wanna come say hi? Okay. Sorry guys, my old brother, he just woke up and he's being him, the adorable little munchkin he is. Oh my god, Denver. Jump. I'm laying on my bed. It's the morning. It's the morning. The title of this video, obby. This title, I'm going to name it obby. That's what my title's gonna be. That's what my title's gonna be. It's what my title's gonna be. My title's gonna be obby. I'm just gonna name it obby. And all of my videos are just gonna be obby 1, obby 2, obby 3, obby. You guys, I'm going to launch videos after this video, like all day. Maybe I'm just gonna be doing obbies. Did you just see that? If I go into this, I'm going to die. Because if I say I'm really good at these, well, I am. Like, look. Oh, whoa. Okay, sometimes these can be really hard. Like, I almost died there. Oh. Okay. Speed run. You guys, soon I'm gonna be running out of time. You just got to this speed run. Now it's time to head into the deep jungle. Hope you packed some, I don't know what that said after. Packed some. That was easy. Whoa, check out that snake. Don't let it bite you. Oh, I won't. That's like the get crushed by a wall game. Now, have to run for it. Here, I'm up. If I went back, I would die. For a second, I thought that was kitty. That's not a kitty. It's a puppy. Oh, I just got a puppy, actually. Dog. I got a dog. Got a dog. Got a dog. Okay, dang it. I'm so tired, guys. Like, that was kind of out of hand. Cringe. How do you beat this? This is getting really confusing. Do you have to just... Oh. You just have to stand on it. That's sad, me. I thought there was like a button or something you had to press. Here, so you have to jump on it and then go somewhere. Then say hi. Hi. Yeah, he's my little brother. Go. Denver? Get. Well, I guess he's gonna be in the rest of the video. That was so close. Die! Okay, guys, and also, That was close. And, this game is just parkour. Oh, I found out the tactic. You have to, like, here, I'll show you it. So you have to, Dino. You have to, like, walk, and then, here. So you jump on it. Then right here, you have to stand, and then, boom. And then hopefully not fall off of that. This one's pretty thick and easy, so like I can speed run it. The one part I can't speed run is right there and over there, because you have to jump that. Well, I'm sick. And guys, so yeah. And yeah. Denver? Go, please. You guys comment below if you should get out of my frame. Because it's distracting me and I'm trying to do parkour. Denver, if you keep blowing on me, oh my god. Oh. I don't know if the music on here is copyrighted or even if there is music, because my sound is off on here, so I don't know if the sound is copyright. No, wait. What? I jumped on that. I'm confused, guys. Couple more minutes left. Probably not going to finish this obby today, guys. Yeah, I'm not going to. If I made that, then I would just... I suck at hobbies. That noob is a noob. Stop. Oh. Stop, Denver. And guys, so, the way you guys should actually play this obby, it's a really good one. You should play it. And Elijah, if you're watching this, no, duh. I want to play this with you, dude. Like, Elijah's my friend, guys. Well, yeah. Well, that's his nickname. So don't go searching that up. Just his nickname's not new because they show every YouTube. So yeah, he's Elijah. He's my best friend. That is like one of the only people I've done YouTube with in my life. No way, I just... Oh my god, I'm mad right now. Don't go saying in the comments, oh, you suck at this. Oh, you're bad at parkour. I know I am. That's why I play it. I just do parkour because it's fun, and I like it, and I don't care if I die. Actually, I do, because I get raged. Stop, Denver. Perfect. Found out the tactic. Boom. Tactic is to just walk, keep on walking, go to the side, walk, go to the side. That's the tactic. Yeah! Well, guys, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna have to end it here, and bye. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye. Bye.